Welcome to our second annual open house event at Jones Boys Boats. We're hosting a community event in support of Fire Smart Communities. We're doing water test drive, the barbecue, in-store sales, and we're just having a great day.
Welcome to Jones Boys Boats, and today we're showcasing the Suncatcher X324 pontoon boat by Yamaha. It is powered with the Yamaha 200 SHO outboard, which makes for a great package to be able to comfortably tour with your family across the water.
Thank you very much to Jones Boys Boats for the opportunity to come out and speak to everyone about the Fire Smart mitigation program we have here in the RDCK.